Hello everyone, welcome to my video. I'm going to show you today that how can you convert product description in Odoo to HTML format. Usually it comes with a plain text format. Let me show you what it is. So uh, this is our production server, and here you see sales description is the product description, what clients see on your website. Okay, so if I mark, there is nothing pop-up menu for customization this text. This is plain text, okay? So if you go to website view, let's go there. There is a plain text, nothing customization, nothing bold tag, list tag, anything you can do right by default in Odoo. So in our production server, we did not make yet, but we have done it in staging. So let me show you in staging. This is our staging server, and look, there is a sales description. Okay, this is product description basically in Odoo. So if I mark, there is option, but you did not see, right? You can't see in default options. You have to make it to show like this. So there you can add header, and if you put HTML tag, it will pop up. Okay, so let me show you. You see, so you can implement HTML feature in here, but you can't do anything in by default system. Look, you can't do it. Okay, so I will show you how to make it. So let me show you in client side in our staging server. So if I go to client side, what customers see, so you can see there is a implementation of header list tag. Okay, so this is basically HTML features in this text format. Okay, let me show you how can you do it. So I am in the box of our staging server. You have to create a custom description add-ons, whatever you name it, but you have to create a add-ons. Okay, how can you do that? You have to go to root folder of Odoo, opt add-ons. So there is a bunch of add-ons because Odoo is uh, each and every feature of Odoo comes from add-ons. So I have to go in my custom sales description. So there is folders and files manifest.py. This is the pretty important files because let me show you what it contains. So this is the name, but the important part of this is depends. Okay, depends, it means what you have to override in default system. So you have to override two add-ons in Odoo default system. Product is one of them and website sale is one of them. So product is responsible for these backend options that you edit and put text here. Uh, it controls these product add-ons, and in website view In website view, it controls website sale. Website view means what clients see. So this part of section is controlled by these add-ons. So you have to override their current rule, current format. In view options data, actually how you replace those format. So this is the file you have to override by writing some codes here. I will show you. Let me go to models. This is in important things as well. There is a file called product template.py. This is pretty important file because it's responsible for this option to make like HTML box. The field is .html means it's a HTML box. Okay, so but in default it's fields.text. I will show you. And if you are not sure how to create a simple custom add-ons, you can get help from ChatGPT, uh, because it will provide you a pretty plain add-ons for this. Like you can just put logic here. You don't need to create more files and each and every single files here. It will come in ready-made. So, but you have to know where to put what. That's the important part. You can get it from Google or you can get it from ChatGPT, but that important pin, I repeat, important part is where need to put what and where which file exists where. That's the important thing you have to dig. So I leave here and let's go to view files, views. This is basic structures. Don't bother about it. Views, models, it's default Python system. Oh, sorry, I have to go back to enter into views folder. Okay, there is a file called templates.xml, but product template views.xml. This one is important to make it happen in here. So for each section, there is two files pretty important controlling this. One is um, in model and another is in views. Okay, so in model you actually define, and in views you actually uh, put the code, how it should look like. Okay, so nano product views. Okay, you see a field name description cell. The name is description cell. Okay, so you are putting a widget which is HTML. So this is how you actually convert this view into HTML format. And one more is website views. Okay, which is website product. This file is okay. So this is where you actually organizing your website view. Let me show you what I have done here. Okay, you see there is a item prop name, and there is item prop name and and this option product dot description sale custom product description. There is a div custom product description. Okay, so this is where you actually configure website view, and I have actually muted the original p tag which is active in by default system. Let me show you in here as well so that you can understand what I'm talking about. You see there is a p tag which is active in here, but here that p tag text, this is class is text muted. There is no p tag which has class text muted because I have deactivated. I mean display none property I have added for don't you, because it shows as well. So there is a two description which is in text format as well as in HTML format. So I can you can just remove this option and you will reflect, it will reflect. Okay, so you can do in different way, but this is how I did. And me sorry, I didn't not want to, I don't want to change anything right now. Let me show you those two important add-ons. I will go to add-ons folder. This is add-ons folder, cd products add-ons. Let me go to models, product template. There is a file called product template.py which is already in our custom add-ons folder as well, to overwrite of these products products add-ons. What I have overridden, let me show you. Okay, you see there is a description cell fields dot text, but uh, this is HTML in custom description. Okay, so only this section, because I want to overrule only this section, not we don't want to do anything other than this. So this format is HTML in our custom description so that it can overrule this section. So that's why I said those two are important add-ons for this project. Sorry, I have to go to website cell. Sorry, I'm in wrong folder. Pardon me. cd views. Okay, sale order website product views template.xml. Okay, let me show you templates, because this is where actually the front end reflects. And how should it reflect? So in here it is described I might struggle to find this. Anyways, I will show you because it is important, and you have to override this in custom description as well. Product description, okay? You see there is a template, product dot description, sale, and website dot sell products items. So this is the part where it reflects in here. So we have to replace this in, uh, by creating, we have to replace this by creating another code in our custom description so that it can override current system. Sorry for my bad English, guys. So if you are not sure anything or in any particular thing, you can ask, you can comment, and you can text me, whatever. So let me go to again in our custom add-ons to actually remember you what's going on. Website product.template. In this file, you actually you see template tag. So this is where it's overridden to the actual format to reflect this custom product description. So I repeat again, two important part of this project is, let me show you again, CD. So let's say you have created a custom description. So first you need to make sure models where product, sorry, I'm typing wrong, product nano nano editor is well, Linux, don't worry about it. You can edit anywhere else wherever comfortable, or you can edit in your remote, where I mean GitLab and GitHub, and then pull it. That's totally up to you. But you see, this file is important, pretty important to actually replace current system. So remember it. And there is another file called, I did not show you earlier, sale, nano sale. Oh, okay. So this file is actually comes from website sale add-ons. Okay, what I told you, website sale, which is responsible for front-end side, that's not back-end side. Okay, back-end, I mean where you edit products, products description. This is back-end. This sale, the file is name is sale order line.py. It comes from website sale add-ons. Actually, we are replacing by custom add-ons. So this is where you edit product description, but for website, For website, this is the file is responsible to reflect in HTML format, but product template.py is responsible for backend edit option in HTML. So make sure you have put these two files in models. Um, and I have already showed you in views what it should be. So there is templates. Let's see what I got in templates view. So this is where you don't need to do anything. It comes with default format in add-ons. You might take help from ChatGPT and Google Bards, but those two files are important. One is view for backend and one view is for front end. So website product is responsible for front end HTML reflection, and product template views is reflection of this backend edit option. So remember those two files in model folder and view folder as well. You need four important files, okay, which is in view folders two files as well as in models folder two files to replace those two products and website sale add-ons to actually work perfectly in Odoo. Okay, after all these changes and everything, you need to do one more thing, which is installation and upgradation along with database. Let me show you what I'm talking about. For this, I have to skip my root user because database won't accept a root because it's restricted for security purpose in every website or database management system, I guess. Whatever. This is another topic, by the way. So I need to make myself a user who has access for database. So make sure for you as well. So I can switch to Odoo user. Odoo has our database access, so that's why. And this is the command you need to run to upgrade and work and reflect properly, which is don't worry about this mm, uh, path. I mean, for this is the path for Odoo bean, which is actually executes add-ons and everything. So you have to mm, find the Odoo bin where it's located. It might be in your opt or in it's by default in Odoo root folder in this these sections, but it may locate it in your system in different path and add-ons path. Okay, this is the add-ons path means where did you put your custom sale description. Custom sale description, custom add-ons, why did you put? So I put in add-ons folder, so that's not any unobvious anything. So add-ons path is where I have put my custom add-ons, and this is mm, database, and you have to put database name and how it is. This another topic you might get up. If you put everything is proper in a proper way, it should work. Okay, thank you for watching, and pardon my speaking skills. It's pretty bad, I know. I will improve it and I'm working on it. So That's it. If you need any help, you can comment out, and you can comment and you can text me, whatever. Thank you for watching. Bye.